If you received your Herman Miller Aeron chair disconnected into two components like this, with the mechanism on upward from the seat and separated from the base with the cylinder in the base, don't worry. We'll show you how to connect and activate it easily. You've received a cable-activated cylinder with these two clips on the top. There are two types of gas cylinders, the top button-activated cylinder and the cable-activated cylinder with the clip. So we're going to show you the mechanism in which the cable-activated cylinder is connected without any encumbrances outside of the chair so that you have a very clear picture. Start by connecting the cable through the hole, then push the plastic clip in until it clicks. Once you hear the click, then that means it's secured. Test it by using the outside lever. As shown, the outside lever is shortening the cable, which activates the lever on the cylinder. This allows the pressure on the cylinder to be released so it can activate the height. This demonstration is done to show you how to do it without the actual chair. So how to do it when it's connected to the chair? It's still as easy as it can be. Start by inserting the cylinder into the hole in the bottom of the mechanism. Now, once the cylinder is in the hole, you have to remove the mechanism cover and just do what we showed you seconds ago. Don't worry, we'll show you how to do it up close. So we just connected the cylinder and we will remove the mechanism cover. Now that the cover is removed, you have full access to the cable. As you can see here, the cable is loose. You're going to carefully insert the edge of the cable into the first clip, and then the plastic notch into the second clip, and then connect it. Now all you have to do is to test it. By using the height lever, if it goes up and down, then everything worked correctly. Unlike top button activated cylinders, cable activated cylinders are plug and play. It means they don't need calibration. Just put the cover back on and you're done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.